Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use piano tree with an acoustic piano. Okay, so first thing, you want to click here where it says MIDI, because before I was using the MIDI. You click here and this will activate the microphone. You confirm, now it should say mic. Okay, so I'm going to practice my song. If I play a wrong note, it shouldn't continue. Okay? And that's it. I completed the song in 18 seconds, so I got 100%. When you're ready, you can play the song.